right, so we're back in the car. I didn't film a lot of the tournament thing that we just did at all because I just kind of let him focus on his Call of Duty and him and the guys that he was on with, which was Aaron Shapiro from Get Your Geek On. Who else is on there? David?
Eric, David. No. Eric, Jay, and Aaron.
Eric Lee of Eric Lee Parodies and Jay of Jaybird Videos. We're all on there with him on the tournament. They ended up they lost by like 3 points? 3 points. 3! But they ended up not making it to the next round, so it kind of sucked. And but anyway, but he had fun, I think. Did you have fun?
Yeah, it was fun.
What else happened?
Dropped 8 kills personal.
I don't know if they can hear you on there.
Personal 8 kills.
So he got 8 kills on Call of Duty, and then
it wasn't just Call of Duty, it was Warzone.
Oh, sorry, Warzone.
There's a difference.
There's a difference. Sorry, I'm like looking in my mirror because I know this lady next to us is kind of like, what are these guys doing?
Don't worry about it.
Happens.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it.
If you got TikTok, you know what that's about.
It's Vine.
Is it Vine?
Yeah.
Oh, it's TikTok.
They'll be like, hey,
anyway,
Brandon, what you got on?
Now they're moving up. They're like, are they vlogging?
Don't worry about it,
what are they doing?
Don't worry about it.
Anyway, I was trying to think there was something else I was going to say. Yeah, apparently we're boring this week, and this is going to be a boring ass vlog. So if you made it this far, thank you. We appreciate it.
How long is this light?
It's like the forever light.
What is that?
You ever gone to those forever lights? We got a forever light in San Antonio at 1604 and 35. You will get to that light if it's red. Sometimes that damn thing will circle like 4 times before it either circles or it doesn't. Cycles, not circles. Cycles or it doesn't. Then you got to go through the gas station. But you didn't hear me say that. Just saying. But you got to do what you got to do to get moving.
Alright, bro.
So if you drive, you may have hit a forever light before in your life. I don't know.
One lane. One lane, bro.
And then you got all these idiots trying to drive like Mario Andretti, and the thing is going down to 1 lane, so there's really nowhere they can go.
One lane.
Anyway, I hope y'all are doing good. I really do. Hope all's good in your world. Coronavirus, with the exception, and all that. What else? Damn, I really don't have anything to talk about. That's how boring we are right now.
I'm just driving.
We got a lot of stuff coming up, though. There's one thing that's coming up pretty big for me that I can't talk about right now.
Well, I said, you just made thousands of people mad.
I don't care. Well, I mean, I care, but...
That's literally everyone's big
sorry.
peeve.
For the thousands of you that were upset by that statement, I'm sorry. I will announce once I can announce. Unfortunately, there's contracts and stuff like that going around. I will say, if you get a chance, go check out...
No, don't say it.
What?
Don't say it.
What?
Don't say it. Because then they're going to know.
Why?
Because
it's got nothing to do with other projects.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Girl,
totally doesn't. Anyway.
This out anyway.
Look at that. I'm gonna leave it.
You should. Because you kind of just gave it away.
Alright. I need something to say, dude. I forgot what I was talking about.
Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. 1604 is bumpy. But when I see your girl, I get humpy.
Yeah, that's staying in there. So what do y'all got going on in your lives?
Hippity hoppity, women are property. Is that staying in there?
No. Hell no.
Look as the wild woman.
I don't even know what to say anymore.
Navigates to the kitchen.
Where'd you get that from? Vine.
No, what do you think I am?
TikTok.
No, what do you think I am? Dude, learn where you get the stuff from.
I don't know where you get your stuff from.
I got it from Fitz. Or not Fitz, from, where was it from? Oh, yeah, it was. It was from a fake Fitz.
What the hell's Fitz?
Dude, turn off the camera. You don't deserve to be a YouTuber. You don't deserve to be a YouTuber.
I had an old TV at the house, and we decided to get rid of it. The only way we know how. Well, not really the only way, but the way we thought of. So it's gonna be fun. Nate, you good?
Got a sticker.
I don't even know if you're on the vlog. Oh, there you are. You got a sticker?
Yeah.
Alright. So anyway, so check this out. This is what we're doing. Targets on the TV. Wow. That was crazy.
Yeah, all that middle right one.
Alright, so check this out. So this bullet went in that big. If you can see that one. It went in that big. And came out that big. And there's some other damage.
So different, right?
Okay.
Yeah, you see how you flinched?
Yeah.
What'd you do when you flinched? Think about what you did when you flinched.
I moved it.
You went down.
Yeah.
So you're gonna be off target. Now reload it. I didn't tell you if I loaded it or not.
I thought you did.
But it showed your flinch.
Very much so. I tuck it back right.
He was trying to get that with me. Trying to get me with that.
I already knew you.
Oh, dude, you know I'd
I
flinch.
know you flinching.
You know I would in a heartbeat.
Hold up. Fix your grip. What kind of grip is that?
My NCIS PD.
Wow.
Hold on, hold on. You're not loaded. You didn't spring it.
Ah.
So when you're gripping, your thumb's up here. Thumb needs to be down here. Right? Like that. Because this thing moves. So if your thumb's back here, what's it going to do? So, but you got to hold this for that thing bounces back. You know? So you have to find what's comfortable for you like that. Go.
He says that feels good. I gotta get this kid in another sport. Dude, I think we found a new sport for you. I'm not even playing. I'm being serious.
What?
This kid shoots his ass off. He can shoot like crazy. I gotta get him in another sport.
I got more bullets.
I think he's gonna be in shooting now.
Yes. Push all the way in, right?
Oh no,
No.
on the other side.
Just set it in there. Nope, nope. You had it right. Nate.
Oh, okay.
Set it in there first.
Okay.
Set one in there, right? Nope.
Nope.
Just set it in there, right?
Yeah.
Now there's a bottom right here. That little in the middle.
Yeah.
Pull that back. Now
Alright.
turn it over.
Okay, that's what
right
I was
in here.
doing wrong. Beauty. Yeah.
Yep. Now slide the other one in there.
Damn, that's weird. I have to push this one
Nope.
forward.
Nope. The bullet will push it.
The bullet will bullshit. What?
That ain't confusing. That's a $100 gun you got.
This is weird. So you push it in through here?
Yeah,
you
all the
use
way
the
in the
bullet
back.
to
Push it kind of forward.
Yeah, you push the back of the other bullet.
Oh.
There you go. Just like
Beauty.
that. That's it. Done and done.
It's already ready?
That's a $600-700 shotgun.
Unless the safety's on.
It should be unless the safety's on. It's ready. So the only thing you're gonna have to do is when you shoot, you're gonna have to eject the other one because there's not enough. Because the barrel is set up for a 3-inch magnum, which has to do with the number of holes that the blowback sends through, and then the 2 3/4 that we're using does not have enough powder to push it all the way back.
Oh.
If that makes sense.
Yeah.
If I have another barrel that it's a 2 3/4 barrel, that'll push them to where all you do is pull the trigger. But go ahead.